What is the mask that you are wearing to the world? And who are you really? I am Professor Ryan Blumenthal, forensic pathologist, and this is Lessons for the Living. A sense of face. We humans all carry a mask. This mask is what the world sees, and behind this mask is who you really are. We call this the sense of face. This is part of the human condition. Everyone wants to save face and maintain face. It is as the world knows you. Let us imagine, if you will, a high-ranking police official who doesn't solve a case. This police official will not commit self-harm because of not solving the case. However, this police official may commit self-harm if there is a sudden reversal of economic fortune, or if there is scandal, or if there is social shame. Then this police official may commit self-harm. So let me ask you these questions. What is the mask that you are wearing to the world? And who are you really? Some people base who they are just because of their monetary wealth. What happens if this person has sudden loss of economic fortune? How will they cope if they lose face? Some people have the mask of beauty or muscles. When they get to the dangerous stage of life, when beauty fades or muscles deplete, who are they beyond that? My question to you today is, if you remove your mask, who are you really, and how are you going to cope with it? Please subscribe for more content such as this.